In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to seamlessly create an image of yourself with a virtual girlfriend. This might sound complex, but don't worry. I'll guide you through every step in a straightforward and easy to follow way. First, you need to go to Google. If you have your internet browser open, simply type in Google if that's not already your homepage. Once you're on the Google homepage, move to the search bar and type in ChatGPT. After typing it out, hit enter. You'll see a list of results, and what you want is the official ChatGPT website. Click on the link to be brought to the ChatGPT website, which offers fantastic tools for editing and creating AI-generated images. Once you're on the website, you'll notice a plus sign. This feature lets you start a new project or add some elements, so go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to a new interface where you'll have several options, but what you need to focus on is the option titled Add Photos and Files. Click on that. Now you'll see a prompt to select files from your device. Navigate through your computer or phone files and select the photo of yourself that you want to include in this creation. It's useful if the photo has clear details of your face, so the AI can accurately integrate its rendering with your likeness. With your photo uploaded, it's time to use the power of AI to get creative. You'll need to type a prompt explaining the image you wish to create. For example, you might type, "Create a photorealistic image of me and a blonde, blue-eyed AI girl in a skirt on a beach at sunset, keeping my facial features consistent with the reference photo and using romantic lighting." This prompt guides the AI to produce an image matching your scenario. Be as descriptive as you can, factoring in the setting and appearance for the best results. Once you have crafted your perfect prompt, you're almost there. It's time to click on the Submit button, allowing the program to work its magic. What's going to happen next is the AI will synthesize everything you requested and blend these elements into an image that embodies your vision. Waiting for the final image might take a moment as the AI processes all the details. But once it's done, you'll have a unique picture blending you with digital artistry, your very own AI-generated photo. This entire process can provide not just an innovative way to create art, but also a personalized touch to what technology can do. Now you've not only learned how to enhance your photos with AI, but you also have a cool new picture as a testament to what you've achieved today.